Welcome back to another episode of What the Fork. Want to thank everybody that's been liking the video, subscribing to the channel. Really appreciate it. Tonight I have another recipe for you. This is one of my favorite recipes. It's chicken shawarma. If you haven't been to a Mediterranean Greek restaurant and ordered shawarma, go ahead and do that. That's some good food. All right, this recipe is super simple. This is 2 pounds of chicken breast in a Ziploc bag. There's all my spices that I measured out ahead of time. And we're going to do some onions. The recipe will be in the description, of course. Then you just pretty much adding everything to the bag. Once all the spices and onions in there, you hit it with the lemon juice. And then from here, we're going to hit a dash of olive oil. And then all you want to do here from here is just close the bag up. And then we're going to toss it around. Make sure that the chicken is evenly coated with all the spices and olive oil. So we'll just go ahead and get this seasoned up. A couple shakes. The longest part about this recipe is just waiting for it to marinate. The cooking time is real short. You know, this is something that you can, prepare ahead of time or like the night before, and then when you're ready for dinner the next night, you just take it out of the refrigerator, throw it in the pan, cook it up, and you'll be ready to go. All right, so once the chicken is evenly coated with all the spices, that's the way it's gonna look, picture perfect. And then you're gonna let that marinate. You just let it marinate for an hour. I'll let mine marinate for 3 hours, but you can do it for an hour, 2, 3 hours, doesn't matter. And then from there, you just want to get your cast iron pan, throw a little olive oil in there as you saw. Then we're going to throw our chicken in from out the bag. And you can cook this on medium heat. You don't have to cook it on super high heat. No rush. All right, so once our chicken is in the pot, I'm just going to move it around. And with this recipe, the good thing about this one is you can do it with salad, you can do it with wraps, you can do it with over rice, a bunch of different ways. You can eat it by itself. All right, so once our chicken is heated up, starts cooking, starts bubbling, that's the way it's gonna look. And these are chicken breasts, so you don't have to overcook them and dry them out. Chicken breast doesn't take a long time to cook. Less than 10 minutes. And when this is cooking in the house, people upstairs are gonna come downstairs and be like, what are you making? What is that? Because it's just so many different spices in there. It just fills the room with the aroma, with that nice aroma. All right, so as you're cooking it, you can go ahead and split a piece of chicken. Make sure everything's cooked through. And there's your shawarma. All right, so we're going to plate it up. I did mine with some salad, with a Greek salad on the side. Like I said, you can do it over rice. You can do it in a wrap. Whatever you want to do. Man, make sure that you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. More videos on the way. Thanks for watching. It's What the Fork.